15 survival gear and gadgets that last forever. Leatherman Wave Plus. The Leatherman Wave Plus is widely regarded as the Swiss Army knife's big brother, only tougher, more versatile, and built to last a lifetime. This multi-tool combines 18 integrated tools, from pliers and wire cutters to screwdrivers and scissors, all crafted with stainless steel and precision engineering. Its replaceable wire cutters and locking blades add layers of safety and longevity, making it indispensable when you're fixing gear, prepping food, or crafting shelter. Sure, it's no magic wand, but imagine having a fully stocked toolbox in your pocket at all times. That's the Wave Plus. It's perfect for anyone who wants the confidence that comes from being ready for anything, anytime. Klean Kanteen Insulated Bottle. Hydration is survival's foundation, and the Klean Kanteen Insulated Bottle excels at keeping your fluids at the perfect temperature for hours on end. Made from high-grade stainless steel with a double-wall vacuum insulation, this bottle keeps cold drinks icy and hot beverages piping for up to 24 hours. Unlike plastic bottles that can degrade or leach chemicals, the Klean Kanteen's durable design resists dents and scratches, making it a companion that lasts through countless trips and rough handling. Plus, it's easy to clean and BPA-free, because surviving without clean water is one thing. But drinking from a leaky plastic bottle, not so much. Gerber StrongArm Fixed Blade Knife. In survival, your knife isn't just a tool, it's a lifeline. The Gerber StrongArm Fixed Blade Knife earns respect for its solid full-tank construction and a blade designed to endure the harshest conditions. Featuring a ceramic-coated high-carbon stainless steel blade, this knife resists corrosion while staying razor-sharp. The textured rubber handle offers an unbeatable grip, even in wet or muddy environments, ensuring precision and safety. It's the kind of knife that can chop, carve, and cut without complaint, making it an essential companion whether you're preparing firewood, building shelter, or defending yourself in a pinch. Black Diamond Spot 325 Headlamp. When darkness falls, having reliable light can mean the difference between calm and chaos. The Black Diamond Spot 325 headlamp delivers 325 lumens of bright adjustable light, while being remarkably durable and waterproof. Its multiple lighting modes, including red night vision and strobe, allow you to adapt quickly to different environments without blinding yourself or your companions. Plus, its comfortable strap and balanced weight make it easy to wear all night, whether you're hiking, setting up camp, or navigating tricky terrain. Forget fumbling with flashlights. This headlamp keeps your hands free and your path clear. Sawyer Mini Water Filter. Clean water is a must-have, and the Sawyer Mini Water Filter is the gold standard for compact, effective filtration. This tiny powerhouse filters up to 100,000 gallons, removing 99.99999% of bacteria and protozoa without the need for chemicals or batteries. Its lightweight design fits neatly into any pack or even your pocket, making it perfect for emergency kits or minimalist setups. Just attach it to a hydration bladder, squeeze it into a bottle, or use it as a straw. It's like having a portable water treatment plant with you at all times, because you never know when you'll need safe drinking water. Teton Sports Backpack. Survivability depends heavily on what you carry, and the Teton Sports Backpack offers rugged ergonomic support built for heavy loads and rough terrain. Designed with durable nylon fabric and reinforced stitching, it withstands scrapes, tears, and the unpredictable conditions of the wild. The padded shoulder straps and lumbar support make long treks bearable, while multiple compartments keep your gear organized and accessible. Whether you're bugging out or going on an extended camping trip, a reliable backpack is your mobile base camp, and this one is built to carry your essentials with ease. Optimus Crux Lite Stove. When it's time to cook or boil water, the Optimus Crux Lite Stove is a compact champion of efficiency and reliability. Weighing under 2 ounces, it offers a powerful, adjustable flame that performs well even in windy or cold conditions, a challenge for many small stoves. Its minimalist design is made from durable stainless steel and aluminum, which means it can endure rough use without breaking down. If you're the type of survivalist who values both lightweight and dependable performance, this stove ensures you won't be stuck eating cold meals or dehydrated rations when it matters most. Outdoor Edge Paraclaw Multi-Tool. Survival gear is not just about cutting or cooking. Sometimes you need something that combines toughness and multifunctionality. The Outdoor Edge Paraclaw Multi-Tool is essentially a tactical folding knife combined with several built-in tools like a seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, and more. This tool is made from high-quality stainless steel with a rugged handle designed for quick deployment and secure grip. It's the perfect option for emergency scenarios where you need fast access to several functions, all in one compact package. Plus, its aggressive design just feels cool, making you look ready for anything, even if you're just opening a can of beans. Coleman Sleeping Bag. A good night's sleep can be elusive outdoors, but the Coleman Sleeping Bag delivers warmth and comfort at an affordable price. Designed with durable polyester fabric and a thermally insulated interior, it provides protection down to reasonably cold temperatures. It's lightweight enough to carry yet roomy enough to allow some freedom of movement. While it's not a luxury item, it's a proven classic that has kept millions comfortable through camping trips and emergency situations. If you're building a survival kit on a budget, but refuse to sacrifice rest, this sleeping bag checks all the boxes. Jetboil Flash Cooking System. For those who value speed and simplicity, the Jetboil Flash Cooking System offers a lightning-fast way to boil water, making hot meals and drinks possible in under 2 minutes. Its integrated design features an easy push-button igniter and a heat exchange technology that maximizes fuel efficiency. Ideal for hikers and survivalists who want to minimize downtime, it's compact, lightweight, and packs away with ease. The only catch? It's mostly geared towards boiling water rather than full-scale cooking. But when speed and reliability are the goal, it shines brighter than most. Climate Static V2 Sleeping Pad. Comfort and durability blend perfectly in the Climate Static V2 Sleeping Pad, a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts for its unique design and robust build. Using patented V-chamber technology, it supports your body evenly while reducing weight and pack size. The Thermarest Wear's rival in comfort, this pad resists punctures and holds air well, even after repeated use. Imagine laying on a pad that not only cushions you against rough terrain, but also stays inflated through the night. Good sleep isn't a luxury, it's a survival priority, and this pad delivers exactly that. Snow Peak Titanium Spork. Small, light, and incredibly durable, the Snow Peak Titanium Spork is the ultimate eating utensil for those who want to keep their pack weight low without sacrificing quality. Made from grade 5 titanium, it's corrosion-resistant, won't bend, and is perfectly balanced for both scooping and stabbing food. Unlike plastic utensils that break after a meal or two, this spork is a lifelong companion, dishwasher safe and resistant to heat, cold, and wear. Plus, it's so sleek that you might find yourself bringing it to fancy picnics just to feel outdoorsy and classy at the same time. Hammocks Hammock. When it comes to lightweight and comfortable rest off the ground, the Hammocks Hammock stands out with its durable ripstop nylon fabric and thoughtful design. It supports up to 400 pounds, dries quickly, and packs into a tiny stuff sack for easy transport. Its versatility means you can hang it almost anywhere, allowing you to avoid cold, wet, or uneven ground while enjoying the breeze and views. Setting up a hammock has never been easier, and when you need a break from sitting on rocks or logs, the Roo offers a cozy retreat that lasts trip after trip. Lifesaver Liberty Water Purifier. Waterborne diseases cause millions of illnesses worldwide each year, so having a reliable purifier like the Lifesaver Liberty can be a true lifesaver. Unlike simple filters, this device uses ultraviolet light to destroy bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, providing water purity at the push of a button. Portable and rechargeable, it can filter thousands of liters on a single charge, making it perfect for extended trips or emergency kits. While you need power to operate it, the unparalleled safety it offers makes it worth the investment, especially when clean water is non-negotiable. Petzl Actic Core Headlamp. Last but not least, the Petzl Actic Core Headlamp combines brightness, battery life, and rugged construction in a compact design ideal for survivalists who rely on hands-free illumination. Offering up to 450 lumens, it features multiple lighting modes and a rechargeable battery that lasts for hours. Its waterproof housing ensures it works rain or shine, while the comfortable adjustable strap keeps it steady during intense movement. Whether you're navigating trails, working on gear, or signaling for help, the Actic Core's reliable glow will keep you on track long after sunset. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video to show your support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more expert gear reviews and survival tips. Have a favorite piece of survival gear that stood the test of time? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear what gear keeps you prepared. Stay safe, stay smart, and gear up to last forever.